Welcome, my name is Robin and this is my channel. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So today, I have my luxury Diva. So this is my May unboxing, and guess what? I'm early. I just got it yesterday and I'm unboxing it already. So Luxury Divas is an accessory box. This is one of my favorite boxes. I don't know, I've gotten this box for close to a year now and I absolutely love it. I am going to leave a coupon code so that you can get, I think you save like $5 off of your first box. And I so recommend that you try it. So let's get into it. And normally when I open it, there is a card and there is a treat in there. And there is a card and it is from Marina. And this girl keeps so busy. And she's like, hello, Robin, it's that time of month again. Here is your adorable May box, perfect for spoiling yourself for Mother's Day. Hope it makes you smile because you deserve it. Love, Marina. And then there's a picture of her and she's absolutely gorgeous. And then also in the box is everything that you get. And every box is different. You fill out a profile when you first sign up for this box. So you can put, you know, what colors you like, if you don't like earrings, if you don't like rings, your size, and so they kind of customize it towards you. And this is the bundle that's in there. And at the bottom, I see my treats. And, oh, Swedish fish. Who doesn't like Swedish fish? When I was working, I worked at a bank, and I was opening an account for customers, and they were from Sweden. And they had this great accent and everything. And, of course, the first thing I asked them was, I'm like, do you get a lot of Swedish fish there? I mean, can you just go and buy it by the pounds? Like, it's super cheap, just like, you know, Hawaii with macadamia nuts. And they were explaining the whole Swedish fish and like all the different flavors that it came in. So the next time they came in the bank, they brought me a super huge bag of Swedish fish in like 5, 6 different flavors. And I don't know how well you think you know me, but do you think I shared? I tasted all the fish, and the one that I really didn't care for, that was the one that I shared with everybody else. So that's what I remember, but I just love Swedish fish. So thank you so much for listening to my story. So this is so light. So that doesn't make a difference because they can pack a punch in a really light bundle. And, oh my God, the first thing I see is this beautiful wristlet. Now, if that doesn't say summer on it, and it's so light, I mean, you can use this for a purse. You can use this for a makeup bag. As I said, we haven't decided if we're going to go back to Washington or not. Still open. But this will be perfect for hanging out on the ocean. So, yeah, too adorable. Wear it with white pants. Yeah, this is a keeper. And the next thing, oh, I don't know what to open next. Dew Glow Primer Oil, Smoothing and Vitamin Advanced. yeah, I don't know, is this the box? And it comes in a little bag, so I don't know if there's like an empty box. Duh, no, there's two things. So this is the Dew Glow Primer Oil, Smoothing and Vitamin Enhanced, and you know I can't read. A non-greasy and vitamin enhanced primer oil. Wow, this is nice. I normally use a primer, but it's been so hot here. I'm trying not to put a lot on my face. But look at that, nice little dropper. And it looks very thin. So I'll have to give that a try. And there was something else in here. This is why it was so light. Great products. So plumped. It must be a lip. I can read it when I go back to the sheet. But there's that. Oh, oh, oh. Luxury Divas Silver. They're hammered. Those are so pretty, and I am a huge silver person. Don't know if I can wear those. They might be too heavy, but we'll see. Oh, this is fun. Oh, oh. It's face masks. I ordered our face masks, probably April, probably the middle of April, and I haven't gotten them yet. And when I get them, I'll share them with, I bought us matching face masks. So this is like so awesome because I wear, like for now, the bandana. But how neat is this? Luxury Divas, thank you. You're always thinking about your people. And, oh, it's a bracelet. Looks like it's gold and silver. And you know, when I open boxes, I've been like doing so good with bringing scissors with me. I've lost literally 4 pairs of scissors. They must be in the different boxes that I have. And that I haven't, I opened them, but I haven't unpacked them yet. So I'm probably gonna find scissors in all these boxes. Oh my God, I can't wait to see this. This looks like a beautiful bracelet. And what I like about it is it's small. Sorry about that. So I hope you guys are enjoying your weather wherever you're at. I don't think too many places are having cold fronts. See if you can see that. Isn't that pretty? My struggles are real here. Nope. Don't know, I can't get it on. But that's what it looks like. It looks small, but when I go to put it on, it's kind of big. But that is so pretty. And I'm not sure. Oh, I think this might be pants because I think I saw somebody wearing the pants. It might be blue pants. Oh, I don't know, whatever they are soft. Oh, they're like a legging. See if I can get my fat body in these. Trying to see if there's like a one size or I can't see, but they're a perfect color. I always put a piece of clothing, but they're maybe below the knee type, but they just feel so soft. So let's go and see what we got. And they put the prices, normally their boxes, it's like $35. I think it's $35, but if you buy like a 3-month, which is what I usually do, then it knocks it down to $30. And then again, if you use my coupon code, you get $5 off your first box. So that's really nice. And I said, this box, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of YouTubers that get this box, so that should say a lot. So the first thing is the navy blue plus seamless capri leggings. They come in gray, black, navy, or blue. And they retail for $16. So this box, the May Blooms box, $103. So those are nice. Then there's the navy blue and white striped wristlet bag. That was that first thing, and that retails for $20, and it only comes in that one color, but that was really nice. Then there's the silver hammered teardrop dangle earrings, and they only come in silver, so we must all have gotten those. And then the two-tone Celtic style bangle cuff bracelet, that retails for $19, and it only comes in silver. So it seems like it's a Mother Day themed, and we pretty much all got the same thing. So if we all go out for Mother's Day, we just have to decide if we're all gonna wear the same thing. Then there's the 3-pack. Oh, did I see a 3-pack? I'm crazy. 3-pack personal protection sanitary, oh, that's the face masks. The 3-pack personal protection sanitary face masks. We love our subscribers and want to encourage you to stay safe with this 3-pack of personal masks. They may not be glamorous, but for now, they are necessary. They are a 3-ply and include a high density top filter, and they retail for $13. So I have to say that is super nice that they are able to get their hands on enough masks to send to their subscribers. So kudos to Luxury Divas. Then the last thing was the Italia Deluxe Facial Primer Oil and Lip Plumper Pack, and that retails for $15. So it looks like the only variation was on the color of the leggings. Normally, like if you got the leggings, you can go and get them in gray. So if you really like them, you can go purchase the other colors. So I have to say, Luxury Divas, you really hit it out of the park with your Mother's Day box. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of this box. Again, you can't go wrong. And they're so nice. Their customer service, I give a 5 cactus because they are just totally awesome. So I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day. I know when I go see my mom, I have to do a drive-by from the car. She's 87 years old, and it's hard to keep her down. You know, she's active, she does a lot, but keeping her in the house is very difficult. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.